Hello guys, so this is a video on where do I start with creating a video game. I know I want to create one, I just don't know where to start. So I had this issue many years ago, about 4 years ago now, of where do I start creating a video game. So the way I went about it was I started doing research, like where do I even begin? Not even an inkling of how to begin. Don't even know about coding. Didn't know about game design. Didn't know about graphics. I had no idea that there were majors for it at the time. There are majors, so if that's interesting to you, definitely give that a look. This is basically like this is how you get started at a young age, specifically high school and middle school. I have a tutorial series coming up. So the way I started was specifically looking up videos of how to do things, how to download Unity. What engines do I start in? Now, Unity is not the easiest engine to start in. Now, I'm talking about Unity 3D, which I'll probably show up right about here. Bloop. I don't know if I'll actually do it or not. We'll see in the post credits. And the biggest thing that you have to know about, and I'm using a lot of hand gestures today, I don't know why, is the fact that there are so many different things that you can start with. You can start with SDL, OpenGL, Unreal 4, and Unity. Those are all four extremely popular ones. There's another one called RPG Maker. There's another one called Game Maker. Never used those. Probably never will. I know a lot of people who have developed in them. Personally, I'm not a huge fan. They're not exactly user-friendly. Unity is extremely easy to use though, and I'll be showing you guys how to download all this stuff. But it all depends on what you want to make. If you want to make games that are lower end or can be ran on lower end PCs, definitely go with Unity. It's an amazing software. I haven't gotten to use Unreal too much, but that one's really good too. So if you guys really want to start out with Unity. Download it. It will download Visual Studios as well for you. At least it should. If it doesn't, go to Microsoft.com, look up Visual Studios, download 2017, and then download all the extensions. I can show you guys how to do that if you guys need it requested. I'll be more than happy to do that. It's not hard, it's simple-ish. I did it on my laptop because the way they teach you in college is they teach you how to code in that language first, and then you get to do it. So I personally don't like that philosophy. I just go right for it. I think hands-on learning is better. But when you first start out, you need to figure out what you want to do. Do you want to be a programmer? Do you want to be a game artist? Do you want to do both? If you want to do both, you might as well become an indie game guy. Because then you have your own hours, and you're not having to work for some kind of producer like Activision or Microsoft, or just to name a few, Sony. They produce their own games now too, and it's one thing that you should definitely consider. What is my goal with this? If you just want to learn, continue following the series. If your goal is to make some serious money, you'll be better off getting a major, like I'm doing. My goal. I want to make people happy with my games. That's my goal. That's why I do this. So, the best way to start out is look up Unity, look up Unreal, look up Game Maker, look up all these different things. Figure out which one speaks to you the most. Unity spoke to me the most. It was the easiest for me to use. It was the first one I ever used. And, I'm trying to learn Unreal, and it's just a mess, in my opinion. They use blueprints and stuff like that. I have no idea what it means. But Unity, you start out fresh, nothing in there. You get to go through, create whatever you want, your own scripts you can make. You can code it, you can not code it. There's so many different ways you could go through it. And there's a asset store that's ready to give you free assets from Unity, which is amazing. It gets you started so quickly. So I'm going to teach you guys all this stuff in this series that's coming up. And yeah, honestly, where I started was Unity. Download Unity and watch these videos coming up, because this is how you start. This is where you get the knack. This is where you get the drive. Thank you guys very much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and please leave a comment down there saying, if you're comfortable, what grade you're in, if you're in high school, middle school. Don't tell me where you're from, because that's just opening a can of worms that can really wreak some havoc on your life. Okay? Because I want to get personal with you guys. I want this to be a very fun experience, a happy thing, because doing this stuff is fun. It's supposed to be fun. So let's have fun with it, okay? Thank you guys very much for watching. And as always, subscribe, comment, like. Bingo was his name. I'll see you later. Peace out.